And our photographer of the week, Emil Jaranilla, is a graduate of Information Technology from the Technological Institute of the Philippines. Emil took this sunset shot at Barangay Matain in Olongapo City. Look at that shot, Emlyn. If you notice...
I really like his photographs.
What do you notice about the shot? It's not a test, by the way. It's just a question.
I like it because it's very colorful. It seems like the colors are jumping towards you.
All
or
right.
at least in my monitor here.
All right. If you notice the clouds, what do you notice about the clouds? They're streaks,
They
right?
they seem like they're moving fast.
They're moving
it seems
fast.
like there's a motion going on.
All right. Or moving fast. What do you notice about the water?
Calm, still.
It's calm? Okay. The water is flat. You don't really see the details of the waves.
Yeah.
Okay. Those two things are a giveaway. The long streaks of the clouds and the flat water, the flat illusion of the water, means that the shutter of the camera was open for a long time.
Oh, so
So
you
it
can
captured
capture
the
the
motion.
light, the movement.
All right. It captured the motion of the clouds, so the image of the clouds becomes streaked because it tracked the clouds from a certain point
From
to a
point
certain
A to point
point
B.
point A to point B.
Oh,
And
okay.
because the water was moving during
Yes.
the same exposure, what happened was it flattened out the waves, so you couldn't see the waves because of the motion of the water itself.
I asked you this yesterday, but you can do that also with the digital camera or the traditional
You can do it with a camera which can control
the opening, the
time,
shutters.
the opening,
Yeah.
the shutter speed,
Aperture, is that
and
what
the
you call
aperture.
it?
Hey, galing.
And one summer, I took photography lessons.
Pwede ka maging magaling na photographer. Maybe
Maybe not.
Okay, this is Emil Jaranilla's first photograph. Emil's next photo, which she entitled "The Colors of Nature," is a sunrise shot taken at Diura in Batanes. See, same effect, Emmeline. If you open it for a long time, the shutter, if you open it for a long time, then you cancel out the motion of the waves. And the waves in this photograph, and like many photographs like this, where they use long exposures, the waves become smoke-like.
Smoke-like.
Smoke-like, because it captures the image, the movement of the waves, the droplets, when it hits the rock, when they hit the rocks, etc. So they become smoke. Smoking. That's next photo. Finally, Emil says, seeing the beauty of Batanes is like being transported into another world as he shares another sunset shot taken at the rolling hills in Vayang, Batanes. Perfect example of one of the #1 rules of photography called the rule of thirds.
Rule of thirds.
The rule of thirds says divide the frame, the elements in the frame, into 3 parts.
Really?
The horizon,
Uh-huh.
the sun. If you notice, the sun isn't in the center.
Yes.
Better if it's off center. If you see the horizon, it's about at the 1/3 level of the vertical of the photograph. So divide the elements in 1/3. You don't want the horizon right smack in the middle of your photo. You want it lower in the photograph, ideally at the 1/3 mark.
Can you control that?
Yeah, just move your camera. There you go. Photography 101, right?
Yeah.
All right. And you get the colors by manipulating it in a photo editor software afterwards. You can practically do anything today with photo editor software. Okay.
You can make me thinner in the photograph, Jane.
Yes, I can. I can.